Hey boys and girls, today we're going to do a review of 3D shapes and how many sides, vertices, and faces they have. So remember, these are 3D. They're something that you can actually hold. So the dotted lines show the part that's going in the back. So when we're talking about sides, we have to count both the front and the back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 sides. Now a vertice is the corner part. So if there's 4 on top and 4 on the bottom, 4 plus 4 is 8. Good. And then faces are the flat parts. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that was a rectangular prism, and this one is a cube. So do you think that the numbers are all going to be the same, or are they going to be different? Yeah, they're going to be the same. So we can actually just copy 12, 8, and 6 for this one and for this one. And look at that. We have half of them done, and we just barely started. So let's take a look at this one. How many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. This one has 18. So let's see how many vertices. If it has 6 on top and 6 on the bottom, it's going to have 12. And let's talk about flat sides. So it's going to have 6 going all the way around, and then 1 on top and 1 on the bottom. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Now we're looking here at the pyramid. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. How many corners does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on the bottom. All right, last one. How many sides here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 sides. There are 3 vertices on top and 3 underneath, so there's 6. And faces, there's 3 on the sides and then 4 and 5. Very good. All right. Now we are going to match the clocks with the flowers in the middle. So one way that you could do this is by just looking at the clock. Like the first one is 1 o'clock, so there's our 1 o'clock flower. The next one is what time? 12:30. Good. So we're going to write 12:30. Look at the next clock. What does that say? 3:30. Very good. And what is the next one? 2:30. Nice. I'll do a couple more with you, and then I want you to do the rest on your own. The next one is 6:30. And then we have 1:30. At the bottom, there's 5:30 and 7:30. Very good. I would like you to finish the rest of the clocks on your own. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. Do the ones that you know first and cross those off, and then see if you can figure out the harder ones with what you have left. Good job, boys and girls.